Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to solve a Coulomb's law problem with your TI calculator. So you'll notice they're giving you some information about the charge of a particle here, placed some distance away from a second charged particle. And the question is, what's the electric force between the charges? First off, when you see the charge is written as 3 times 10 to the negative sixth, when you solve for the electric force F, you have to multiply Coulomb's constant K times the product of the value of the charges. And we're going to use calculator notation, which would translate to 3e negative 6. That means 3 times 10 to the negative 6th power. And then multiply that by this value of the second charge, which is negative 2.4 times 10 to the negative 6, e negative 6, and then you would divide that quantity by the distance squared, in this case 8 centimeters or 0.08 meters squared. And that means you would raise it to the second power. And if you're using a TI calculator, when you pull up the screen, Coulomb's constant K is 9 billion, which is 9 times 10 to the 9th, 99, times the product of the two charges. The first one, 3e, there's the double E button, negative 6, times negative 2.4. Find the double E button down here again. Shows up as a E negative 6. And that quantity all divided by 0.08 squared, distance squared. When you press enter, there you have it. It expanded out the 99 for 9 billion times the product of the two charges divided by the distance squared, and here's your force value, negative 10.125 newtons. It's negative because the electric force was solved by taking a positive times a negative, so this is an attractive force. We'll do another problem next. Try that on your own, make sure you can get the same results.